Today we'll see that how we can fill the form for the California Institute of Technology for the graduate program. So first click create an account, then enter the email address, set the password, then confirm the password, enter the first name and the last name, date of birth, click on these check boxes and then create an account. If you have already created an account, then just click on login. And enter the email address and the password and then click on login. Click on online application. Read this application checklist and then click on to the next page. Now enter the birthplace, the city of your birthplace. Then select the country of your birthplace and the country of citizenship. If you are not a US citizen, what type of visa you will hold? So F student. Are you a US veteran, armed forces? No. You consider yourself to be a first generation college student? Select accordingly. Then select your ethnicity, not Hispanic or Latino. Choose your category and then enter the street address, city, and select the country of your address. Enter the postal code, telephone number, email address. Then if permanent mailing address is same as current mailing, then just click on this checkbox and click on to the next page. Okay, some fields are missing, so check what is missing. Okay, the email too is missing, so you can enter the email, the second email, and then click on to the next page. Now program selection, you need to select the program which is mathematics and then select the term fall 2024 and click on choose program. Now select the area of interest of the program first, second and third, and then final degree objective PhD, and then click on to the next page. Now here you need to enter the details of your BSc as well as MSc. So click on search for institution and directly click on this link as your institution is outside the US or Canada, and then enter the name of the institution, month and the year when you have started this degree, month and the year when you have completed it, degree level BSc, the date on which you have received the degree, then the GPA you have obtained, and upload your BSc unofficial transcript. After uploading, just click on add another school and add the details of your MSc. So again, click on search for institution, then this link, and then enter the name of the institution, month and the year when you have started this program, month and the year when you have completed it, degree level MSc, the date on which you are expecting your degree, GPA you have obtained, and then upload your MSc unofficial transcript. After uploading, just click on to the next page. Now, if your program requires the GRE scores and if it is mandatory, then you need to enter the scores and the details of the GRE, or else, so it's not required. So you can enter the details of any of the English proficiency tests which you have taken. So enter the date of the test taken and the score of that particular test. And if you have given TOEFL and IELTS both, then you can enter the scores of both. And then here you need to upload the CV and the statement of purpose. In the statement of purpose, you need to briefly describe about your scientific and the professional interest and objectives. So you need to upload that. Then you need to upload an additional essay in which you will be describing about your background or life experiences which will contribute to the community. So you need to upload that additional essay here. And if you have any publications or papers, you need to upload that here. Then if you have received any scholarships or fellowships, you need to enter the details here. Then how did you hear about this graduate program? Then you need to enter the details, select accordingly, and then click on to the next page. Now recommendations. So enter the first name, last name, organization, select the salutation, enter the title, email address, and submit recommendation request. Now add the second recommender, enter the first name, last name, organization, select the salutation, enter the title, email address, and then submit recommendation request. Now enter the third one, first name, last name, organization, select the salutation, enter the title and email address, and then submit recommendation request. After that, just click on to the next page. And then click on I agree and then submit. Now you need to make a payment, and after doing the payment, you will be done with your application.